Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. Yeah, so till yesterday we have talked about various things about the especially multiple choice questions for your assistant motor vehicle inspector, the exam for which will be conducted and the notification will be notified shortly by the Tspsc and Appsc. There are 87 vacancies in the Telangana Public Service Commission. Okay, so let us continue our discussion. So first question, the stabilizing speed of an automobile is a function of. So there are various things as far as automobile is concerned: speed, tractive effort, then resistance, etc. We have seen what are all these things. So resistance due to tire friction, road friction, okay, and then your tractive effort, we have talked about that. Then speed of the vehicle. So on which factors the stabilizing speed of an automobile depends upon? So here your answer is all the three: resistance of the road and tires, and speed of the vehicle, and also tractive effort. Okay, the effect required to pull the vehicle by means of the engine. Yes, so your answer is resistance, speed, and tractive effort. Answer is B. Next question. In the first gear of the tractive effort available for acceleration is, we know that there are 4 gears probably, right? 1, 2, 3 or third gear, right? So first gear, second gear, third gear, let us suppose. So here in the first gear the tractive effort available for acceleration is, so whether it is the least, the maximum, the average or 0. So here the answer is the maximum. So definitely in the first gear the force required to move the vehicle, okay, so it is maximum always. So actually why? Because actually your vehicle has to start from the rest. So here the tractive effort is the maximum, neither least nor 0 nor average. So your answer is B. Next question. The manual transmissions are also known as gearboxes. So other name for gearbox is manual transmission. So the mechanical efficiency of these for direct drives. Okay, there are some drives called direct and indirect. So for direct drives, in case of manual transmissions or gearboxes, what is the maximum? What is the mechanical efficiency approximately? So this is, so you are likely to put the answer because you can eliminate 100% cannot be efficiency. Most likely you are going to choose 96 or 90%, but actually the answer is 98%. So in the manual transmission or gearboxes, the efficiency for these are about 98%, 98, 2 less than the 100%. Next question. The mechanical efficiency, the minimum mechanical, this is the minimum mechanical efficiency for reduction gears. So this is approximately 90%. So you can choose the answer 90%. Yes, right. Boys, I have made the questions in such a standard way that they are above, very above your type of questions to be asked in your Amvi examinations. So please watch my videos and get your subjects improved. And if you have not liked my channel, please like, share, comment and also subscribe and share among your groups and contacts. Let us continue. In the manual transmission, the friction losses are, so here, so again the similar type of questions, right? More and hence used in fuel efficient automobiles, and less and hence used in fuel efficient automobiles, less and hence used in highway drivings, more and hence used in highway drivings. So what are the different combinations? Less, more, and fuel efficient automobiles and highway driving. So you have to be very careful and you have to be exactly correct. So okay, you have to be, that means for this to identify the correct answer you must have read the subject thoroughly. Okay, automobile engineering volume 1 and volume 2 by Kripal Singh, and also IC engines by V Ganeshan. I will be making a video shortly about the which are the standard books needed for the entire syllabus for APPSC and Tspsc. Just please wait for some time. So here the manual transmissions, the friction losses are less, and because of this factor they are used in fuel efficient automobiles. So your answer is B. Right. Next, the automatic transmissions are used where the driving operations are to be. So here where the automatic transmissions are used, that means manual transmission is not used, automatically the changing of gears will be done. So this is used where the driving operations are, he is asking, okay, are to be whether they are to be simplified as in highway driving, complicated as in highway driving, not considered and used in fuel efficient automobiles, and none of the above. So here the answer is simplified. So automatic transmissions are used where the driving operations are to be simplified and they are used in highway driving. Yes or no? Yes. So your answer is A. Next question. In the sliding, so now in the coming questions we are going to discuss about various types of mesh gearboxes, okay, like constant mesh gearbox, synchro mesh gearbox, sliding mesh gearbox, and some other things which are related to the your gearboxes. Okay, so we'll be completely analyzing and we are going to choose the most difficult bits in the coming multiple choice questions, right? So here yes, in the sliding mesh gearbox, okay, so please watch these questions very carefully and try to revise as many times as possible in order to locate the correct answers. So watch the videos as many times as possible and till the number of times where you will get the confidence to identify the correct answers. Okay, here the answer is in the sliding mesh gearbox, the mechanical efficiency is quite low, but noise is quite high. So both are here, both are disadvantages or no. So actually, to be frank, mechanical efficiency has to be high and noise has to be quite low, but it is reverse. So both are the disadvantages of using sliding mesh gearbox. In the sliding mesh gearbox, the mechanical efficiency is quite low and noise is quite high. So your answer is A. Next question. The doubled, so boys, this is a very good bit, very important bit, very difficult bit probably you can say, right? So double declutching, this is a technical term used in your automobiles as far as the operation of the automobiles is concerned. Here the double declutching, this phenomenon is normally to be adopted in constant mesh gearbox, neither synchro mesh gearbox nor sliding mesh gearbox. So you can eliminate none of the above. So definitely it has to belong to one of the three options A, B, C. So here the double declutching is to be adopted in constant mesh gearbox. Constant mesh gearbox, double declutching, and remember it is used in constant mesh gearbox. Next, as compared to the, now this is a comparison between sliding mesh type of gearbox and also other one is the constant mesh gearbox. So here as compared to the sliding mesh gearbox, mesh type of gearbox, the mechanical efficiency and noise in constant mesh gearbox are, so here again once again confusing words, high and high, low and high, high and low, low and low. So unless you are sure, you cannot select the correct answer, correct? So here as compared to the sliding mesh gear type of gearbox, the mechanical efficiency is high and the noise is low in case of constant mesh gearbox. So choose the option C. C is the correct answer, high and low. Okay boys, last bit for today. So here the end play of gears, this is going to be disadvantageous in case of gears operation of the gears. So how I can check this particular okay, let us say problem. Okay, end play of gears of an oil pump may be checked by using A or an. So this is used normal, this may be checked with the help of, again see the bits, right? Vernier calipers and feeler gauge, straight edge and feeler gauge. So here feeler gauge is combined common, and here now the confusion is between outside calipers or inside calipers. Normally calipers are used for the external diameter of the your any object, but here the end play of gears of an oil pump normally checked through straight edge and also feeler gauge. Where feeler gauges are used? Feeler gauge are used the clearance between the piston and cylinder, etc. So we will talk about we'll talk much about feeler gauge in the later videos. But here at the end play of gears of an oil pump may be checked by using a straight edge and also a feeler gauge. So the combination of devices needed for this particular thing is the straight edge and feeler gauge. So select the B as the option, straight edge and feeler gauge. Okay boys, so let us stop here. So tomorrow again we are going to see, so we are almost reaching 300 standard bits of your Amvi examinations. As I was telling you in all my videos, I have made number of videos for your Tspsc, Appsc, AE and AEE examinations, and also some videos for your GATE examinations. GATE examination is coming nearer, so it will be conducted in the February month, and a number of videos I have made for your Tspsc and Appsc, AE and AEE. In that, I have made also very good number of videos on your engineering materials, which is a very important section. Probably definitely out of 150 questions, you might expect out of totally at least 5 to 10 questions out of the engineering materials. So please watch those videos and get benefited. And once again, one more request is that don't pause the video, so that you can get the total benefit of the video which you are watching, and also press the bell icon for the immediate updated videos on my channel, so that you don't miss any very important videos. Once again, wish you all the best, boys. See you.